let's get to the bank, go get this cash, then I'm going to get that car.
Look out, she's a bad girl.
What's good with y'all? What's good? We finally checking in for another update video, and the car seat want to vibrate and do all the crazy stuff right now when I'm vlogging, but it's all good. We'll finally tune in for another video. As y'all can see by the title, grabbed another car. I'm currently on the way to go to where I'm going to the bank. I'm going to get the money, then I'm going to get the car, and I'm going to pay for the car. I don't know where I'm gonna take it yet, cause I got too many old schools now. I mean, this number 4, so I don't know where I'm gonna take it. But I'm gonna get the car. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm gonna explain everything, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna tell you the plans for it. Was gonna wait, but I'm gonna tell people the plans, and I'm gonna tell people the plans for the other cars and all of that. Cause something gotta go, man. I can't. I'm not doing 4 cars. I'm sorry. I love old school, but I'm not doing 4 projects at a time. 3 was my max. So I'm about to tell y'all the plans, and I got another one. I'm probably gonna end up doing 4 anyway, cause I got another car I want to grab. That's, man, I want to do this. I got to, but that's a whole nother story. So this introduction to the video. I know it's been a minute. I ain't been vlogging. I've been busy. I got a Camaro update coming. I got a Camaro video dropping tomorrow, if I remember right. If everything goes as planned, Camaro video drop after this. So let's get to the bank, go get this cash, then I'm going to get that car, then I'm show it to y'all. So stay tuned in. All right, y'all, so this is it. As y'all can see, it's back. If you been following the channel, you've been keeping up with everything, then you already saw this. You know, I sold it to my little brother, but like I said, he got to change the plan. So here it is. I just bought it back. We just got everything straightened out, so it'll be going to the shop. Like I said, this it. I'm just showing everybody all over again. If you didn't get a chance to see it, it's still the same as I bought it, except he cleaned the interior up. He did all that. He cleaned it up. It was much dirtier, and he done cleaned up under the hood and all that. I had to show y'all that and all that when get the car situated and everything. But this is it. Say, I originally had bought the car. I didn't keep it probably like a month. My little brother wanted, so I said, hey, you can get it. But like I said, he having a change of plan, so it's back. I got it back. Reiterate, got a RIN in it. It's an 8.5, 410, no, 373 or 410. I can't remember the gear, but it got a limit slip pause in it. This is it. Said got a little nick right there, but overall, it's a good solid car. No dents and stuff in it, no rust and all that. But yeah, man, when I get back to the house, cause I'm running errands and all that too. But when I get back to the house, I go plans for the car and what I'm gonna do with it this time. What I'm really gonna do with it, so y'all gonna see it on the channel, and I'm gonna go over all that with y'all in the next clip. So definitely stay tuned in. All right, what's good with y'all? Finally back at the house. About to get dark. Been running all day. So as y'all can see, what I picked up my other box Chevy that I used to have. Yes, I did sell it. I really had sold it. My little brother, he changed the plan, so he going a different route. So he hit me back first before even putting it out there on the market. He called me today. I bought it today. So it was no questions asked, man. It was no thought. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get that back. Cause I had plans for it, but I wanted to see my little brother shine. So when he wanted it bad. I told him he can get it, and I sold it to him. So but I want to keep new and different content coming for the channel. So my original plans for that car, which if y'all remember, it said right here beside Big Meats, right here. So my original plans for that car was to do a budget big rim build. Yes, a big rim build. I know everybody on my channels are not a fan of big rims. I understand that, it's not your cup of tea. Cool. I like cars, I like racing and everything in all forms and fashion. Big rims where I come from. You never forget where you come from. If you can remember, this car started with big rims before I got just die hard into racing. And I'm humble, man. I don't forget where I'm coming from. I love it. So I try to do a little bit of everybody. We did truck content. I still got the F-150 over there. I'm gonna do something with it. We got B bodies, we got the F body in the garage, and I got something else coming that's not a F body, a G body, not a A body, not a it's gonna be different. I just want to do that. So I said I'm not gonna do 4 bills. I'm not doing 5 bills at a time. So basically something gotta go. Pretty much what's gonna go, probably cheapskate. People probably gonna be mad, hate to see it go. It's a lot of people love that truck, but the truck served its purpose. Time gonna come to an end. So right now, I mean, cheapskate, if anything go, cheapskate gonna go. The chassis can go. Either they can be bought as a chassis, or if I go ahead and complete it and put the motor in it, instead of putting the motor in the other car, then you know you can buy it complete. Price will be higher, but 9 times out of 10, cheapskate probably is gonna go bye-bye. I had that truck, I done had that truck how many years? Let me see. 3 years. I done had that truck a total of 3 years. I built it last year. Had a little fun with it. It was fun doing the build. That was the whole purpose of the truck. I have no emotional attachment to that truck. It seems like more people on the outside world got more attachment to the truck than me. The cars that's not going, the one car that will never go nowhere is this car. This is what got sentimental value to me. It's gonna stay in my family. When my girls get older, they gonna own it, then pass it down. This gonna stay in the family. It's sentimental value. Used to be my cousin car too, so it's sentimental value with that. The Camaro kind of growing on me. I may keep the Camaro, I don't know, but I'm not materialistic things. I don't care about them really. Y'all gonna see plenty of cars come on this channel and plenty of cars go. Just how it go, man. I do this stuff for y'all too. Provide content. Cheapskate was a budget build. It was great. You see what can happen when you go that route. You taking a chance. So now I'm gonna do a budget big rim build with that box Chevy I just bought. So and basically what it is, that build is gonna be featured on 2 of my channels. It's gonna be featured on my I got a big rim channel. I got a J Malcolm Big Rim Reviews channel, which is like I said, pretty much big rim cars, just reviewing the car. It's exactly what it sounds. So I'm gonna be featuring some of that build, more of the exterior stuff, how I'm gonna stay budget on the paint, stay budget on the rim, about the wheel selection and all that, interior, how you can clean your interior. It's gonna be a budget big rim car for my people that wanna, you know, get into that and maybe ride clean and stuff. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna be featuring the exterior stuff on the outside. Then the actual drivetrain gonna be featured on this channel, cause I'm gonna do a budget motor. I'm gonna do a fresh motor for budget friendly. It probably won't be like budget like a cheapskate, cause you see what can happen. But I'm gonna do a budget motor for that car too, and it's gonna be back and forth between them 2 channels, so to give everybody what they like. On this channel, I'll be talking about straight drivetrain, showing the transmission, the motor. I'll be showing that stuff on this channel. I won't be talking about the exterior and interior, even though you'll be seeing it on camera, but I won't be talking about it just out of respect. I know everybody don't like big rim stuff, but if you subscribe to my J Malcolm Big Rim Review channel and you slide over there, then I'm gonna be talking about the exterior and interior, what I'm gonna do, stuff I'm gonna use to clean it, who I'm gonna use to clean stuff, and just overall plans, man. It's gonna be different. It's some fun. Nobody ever did a budget big rim build. Nobody, never. So I'm about to be the first. Y'all don't leak my idea, cause I'm about to put it into motion. I said I got the car today. Probably gonna go ahead and get it over to the shop. And yeah, like I said, man, I'm not doing 5 cars, cause it's something else I got my eye on that I have not told but one person, and it's gonna be different. I'm talking about it's gonna be absolutely different. That's all I'm gonna say. And I don't want to have 5. I don't want to have 5 old schools at one time, cause there's too many irons in the fire. Something won't get done. Big meats already gonna get done next year, and I plan on stopping everything when I start on this car. So I'm gonna do this new car, that other car I just bought back. I'm gonna do it fast. Like I said, we got a Camaro video coming tomorrow. John Jones coming back. And yeah, y'all, I just want to keep y'all updated. So if you interested in cheapskate, the chassis, get at me. It'll be above. I got an idea of a price in my head. I'm gonna tell you right off top, it's gonna be above 2,000, but under 3,000. So it's somewhere in there. There you go. And it's worth every penny if you go back and look at the videos. You know what the rear end up under costs. Everything will remain on the truck except the transmission and the shifter. Everything else will be there. It has a 1 gallon fuel cell up front. It has a -8 fresh braided fuel line from front to back, 15 gallon fuel cell, aluminum, with a sending unit, never been turned on. It got a fresh Holly Blue up front, dedicated for a dedicated nitrous system. Got a quick fuel in the back, equivalent to a Holly Blue. What else, man? We got 3-inch exhaust, X pipe, all that was new. We got MagnaFlow mufflers, all that was purchased new as well. Most of y'all know this, some of y'all didn't know this. Custom gauge cluster, all that's new. What else? I'm trying to make sure I'm not forgetting nothing. Oh, we got comp engineering shots on all 4 corners, and you can look at my channel. You can go back. I wrote in detail the prices of all this stuff and what's on that truck and all that. And I might throw in the wheel. Nah, I'm gonna keep my wheel rims, man. I gotta keep them. I'm gonna need them for what else I got planned. But yeah, it's nice. It got brand new headlights, halos, LEDs, new bed cover, new tail lights, all that stuff. So cheapskate, pretty nice chassis. It's pretty nice chassis to drop and go. But yeah, that's it. Like I said, comment below, man, what y'all think. Either way, that's the plan though. But I read everybody comment, but that's the plan. And yeah, man, we're gonna get this rolling and keep this content. It's gonna be a lot of Camaro content coming, cause I got some stuff going on right now with the Camaro. So yeah, stay on the lookout. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.